to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from permutations and combinations. The question is, 5 persons enter the lift cabin on the ground floor of 8th floor building. If each one of them can leave the cabin independently at any floor beginning with the first floor. Find the total number of ways in which each of the 5 persons can leave the cabin. First option is at any one of the 7 floors and at a different floors. If you take, it is given total 8 floors. Counting from ground floor, they took till 7. This total is you will get 8 floors, right? From ground floor. But in this 8 floors, only anyone can leave the cabin, lift cabin from first floor. Understood? From first floor. So till we have to count only 1 to 7. So each person can have how many ways? Any person can live in any floor, right? We can't say exactly. So each person will have 7 ways to leave the cabin. Okay, so person 1 7 ways, 2 7 ways, 3 7 ways, 4 7 ways, 5 7 ways. So what we can set last total number of ways 5 persons leave the cabin at any one of the 7 floors. How many 7 floors? How many people will have? 1 2 3 4 5 people. 5 people can leave 7 ways in 7 ways. So 7 power 5, which is equals to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Yes. Next, second bit, at different floors. At different floors means, see for example, person 1 have 7 ways. Means 1 to 7, any floor he can leave the lift cabin. Person 2 can take the ways only 6. Because already in one floor, person 1 left over the cabin. That's why he will have only 6 ways. Next, P3 will have 5 ways. P4, 4 ways. P5, 3 ways. Okay, so total number of ways we can say 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Right? These all we took multiplication. Why? Because actually what is the main definition for that is multiplication rule. If A works, if some what we say, some work, if some work can complete in m ways, and say for example the first one is A and the second work B can be complete in n ways. So when the other work C is completed, when it will completed means it will complete when both A and B are completed. Understood? Here, if you observe here, first one took 7. Then also the second will have one more chance to live in the same floor, whatever the P1 have in leaving the which floor, including that he can leave, the second person also can leave, right? So this okay. And if you coming to this, when any one person took any one floor to leave the cabin, the other will have the less than one of it. So if this completed, then only this happens, right? If these two happens, then only he will have 4 ways. Understood? So that's why that is the formula for permutation in this multiplication rule. That is the basic rule for permutations and combinations. Okay. So in that sense, if you take, we will take the multiplication rule. Using the multiplication rule, we are finding the answers for these questions. Understood? If you have any doubts, corrections or suggestions, specify that in the comment section, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.